Hey everyone. Imagine you're driving and suddenly your car refuses to shift gears properly. The transmission feels sluggish and you notice a check engine light. You scan for codes and get P0910 gate Select Actuator Circuit open. This means that the system responsible for selecting gears isn't working properly. In this video I'll show you where the sensor is located, the common causes, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0910? DTC P0910 indicates a problem in the gate select actuator circuit. This actuator is responsible for moving the shift forks inside the transmission, allowing the car to select the correct gear. If this actuator malfunctions, your car might struggle to shift gears or get stuck in neutral. Common symptoms of P0910: delayed or harsh gear shifting, check engine light on, car stuck in one gear or neutral, transmission warning light illuminated, limp mode activation. Sensor and component location, very important. Gate select actuator, location, mounted on the transmission housing, near the shift control unit, found in automatic and dual clutch transmissions, transmission control module TCM. Location, typically located near the battery or inside the engine bay. In some cars it's under the dashboard behind the glove box. Wiring harness and connectors. Location, runs between the gate select actuator TCM and fuse box. May be routed along the transmission housing or under the car. Check your car's service manual for the exact location in your vehicle. What causes P0910? Faulty gate select actuator. If the actuator motor burns out, gear selection fails. Broken or disconnected wiring. Damaged wires prevent signals from reaching the actuator. Defective transmission control module TCM. A faulty TCM can stop gear selection. Blown fuse or relay. A simple blown fuse can cause this circuit to fail. Loose or corroded connectors. Poor electrical connections can cause intermittent failure. How to fix P0910? Step 1. Check battery voltage. Low voltage can affect the actuator's operation. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for cuts, corrosion, or loose connections. Step 3. Test the gate. Select actuator. Use a multimeter to check its resistance and voltage. Step 4. Scan for additional codes. If the TCM is bad, you may see related transmission errors. Step 5. Replace fuses or relays. A quick fix that can restore function. Final words: if you ignore P0910, it can lead to complete transmission failure, leaving you stranded. Fix it early to keep your car shifting smoothly. For more OBD-II error codes, check out these videos. P0686 ECM PCM Power Relay Control Circuit Low. P0687 ECM PCM Power Relay Control Circuit High. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car fixes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.